Well, I guess it's safe to say that the Sound Effects Wiki is now Toxic One. Toxic Community. Toxic Wasteland. Sthebee has been blocking a lot of people recently, including me, for false reasons, and cannot give anyone else a second chance. The other admins tried to definitely unblock the people, but she removed their admin powers and just blocked them. Sock puppet accounts is the reason, because you keep blocking their normal accounts. God, reasons. And mobile, are you against mobile? Is that what it is? Not following rules, only using. So what if she's only using mobile? That's freaking ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous. And whenever she gets blocked, she manipulates people to get her to unblock. Or sometimes she unblocks herself, which she shouldn't be. Jesus Christ. You know what? I think I should make my own sound effects wiki, to make it not such a toxic wasteland. If she ever appears on that wiki, she's getting her just desserts. Oh God, I really, really did not want this happening, but it happened. Nothing we can do yet. So I'll probably make my own sound effects wiki, probably sound effects wiki 2.0 or 3.0, whatever the wiki's number. Probably have some available things, who knows. Anyways, yeah, just make my own wiki. Not bothered with her anymore. Probably make some of the former members admins or so, probably. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Okay, so this is Ant-Man signing off. Stay safe. All that.